This video is going to be on how to use the trade on charts feature within Tradovate. I'm going to show you how to turn it off and then how to turn it on. This could be a great feature if you know what you're doing or once you know how to use their platform. But right off the bat, when I logged in and I got my account set up, it had this trade on charts feature on all my multi-charts. When I'm trying to set up candlesticks and drawing tools, it has this feature automatically on, which could be dangerous because if you hit it twice, it places an order. And let me show you what I mean here. So you'll see here is just a chart, a 500 tick chart on Tradovate. And when I just click in here, you see how it automatically shows here a buy or sell order. Now, that was just clicking it once. If I click it again, it's automatically going to place the order. So if I'm just randomly clicking down here or up here and I'm not paying attention and I click it twice, it's going to place an actual live order. So if you don't want to do that, obviously you can really blow up your account and take a big loss if you're not paying attention. So let me show you how to turn it off and then how to turn it on and have it set up for select charts. So let me show you on these charts down here. You'll see when I'm clicking inside here, nothing's happening, right? So no orders are popping up. And see right here, I actually went to stop the video and start it back up again, and I wasn't even paying attention that this order is still here. So what I want to do is click out of it. So let me rephrase. You can click here and then, so when I was saying before, if you click it again, it'll place the order. It's not going to place the order unless I hit it. But again, it's still risky, let me click out of it again. If I click it once and I click it again, it disappears. But if I click it once and I hit buy or sell by accident here, that's where it's going to place the order. So it is good that if you click out of it, you're okay. But these buttons are kind of big. So if you click, like click here and click again by accident, it's going to place that order. So that's where I just want to clarify that, again, you can click out of it and it'll disappear. But it's still annoying. It's still dangerous. But that's where I have it set up over on this chart, but not on these. You see it's not coming up. So this is what you want to do to go and find that and turn that feature on or off. Is you see this little toggle button up here. There's kind of this like toolbar on down in this area right in here. You'll see right up here when I click on view settings, right, this mode right here is called trade mode. So you'll see in view settings, I have trade mode on. You can add other stuff down here as well, but specifically for trade mode or trade on charts, you'll see down here on the charts, I don't have it checked off. So since I don't have it checked off, it's not going to place an order on the charts. So if I turn it off over here, when I click on it, you'll see here now trade mode is off. So if I want to put it back on, view settings, trade mode on, and then when I click in here again, it can place the order. So that's how to use the trade mode feature or trading on charts to turn it on and off within Tradovate.